In this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete process of transferring your Roblox account to another device. This method works on computers, phones, tablets, and even iPads, so no matter what device you're switching to, the steps remain quick, secure, and easy to follow. Let's begin by opening the official Roblox sign-in page on your computer or whichever device you're currently using. Once the page loads, look toward the bottom where you'll find an option labeled Use Another Device. This is the key feature we'll be using. Go ahead and tap or click on it. As soon as you do, Roblox will give you two ways to continue. You can either scan the QR code using your phone, or you can manually enter the code shown underneath. Both options work perfectly, but for this tutorial, I'll stick with the manual code so it's easier to follow. Now, take out your mobile device, the one you want to transfer your Roblox account to, open the Roblox app, and make sure you're already logged in on this device. Once you're inside the app, look for the More button in the bottom right corner. Tap that, scroll down all the way to the bottom, and you'll see a feature called Quick Sign In. This is where everything happens. Inside the Quick Sign In screen, type in the exact code that appeared on your computer earlier. Take a moment to make sure the code is correct, then tap Enter. Immediately, you should see a confirmation pop-up appear on your computer's screen. This pop-up is Roblox asking whether it's really you who's trying to sign in from a new device. Simply click Confirm Login, and within a second or two, your new device will be successfully linked to your Roblox account. At this point, your Roblox account has now been transferred or added to the second device, and you can start playing from there without signing in again. This method is extremely helpful if you switch devices often, buy a new phone, or simply want to access your account from multiple places without typing passwords every time. Now, if you ever want to check which devices are currently logged into your account, Roblox makes that easy too. On your computer, click the settings icon at the top right, head over to settings, and then select the security tab. Scroll down and you'll see a complete list of every active session connected to your Roblox account. From here, you can review each device, and if you want to sign out of one, just click on the device name and choose log out of session. This is a great way to keep your account safe, especially if you logged in somewhere and forgot to sign out. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your Roblox account to another device using the safest and fastest method available. If you found this video helpful, feel free to explore more tutorials just like this one. Happy gaming!